Welcome to the DerivNavigatorAcademy. In today's video, I'll be speaking about the Deriv cars. Now, most of you might be wondering, what cars am I speaking about? All right. Now, in Deriv, you will find that you have traded for the day. You have traded really well. Okay, you have gotten your profits, and you are really happy, and you have decided to go and do other activities. Let's say you have woken up in the morning, you have made your profits, and then you decide, today that is enough for today. Let me go and do other activities. I'm happy for my profits, and I'm thankful. Now, during the day or at night before you sleep, or just during the day, something tells you, let me go back to the market and see if I can make some more. You open your laptop, you open your computer, and you decide to do some more runs and make some more. Because if you made some profits in the morning, it means you'll make some profits now. So you open your laptop at night or in the afternoon. Yeah, let's say at night, you open and you decide to do a couple of runs so that you get some profit. Okay, you just get some more. All right, there's no harm in that. Now, once you open, 90% of the people spoken to, including me, they tend to make a loss. I had a story about someone who made a profit of about $131 in the morning. At night, he decided to make it 200 because why end it at 131? So in the effort to try to make it 200, he ended up blowing the entire account because now he was putting he was really staking high, and the bot is really fast. So before he even realized the account was depleted, gone, and obliterated. So he just went to sleep very sad, and it took him like 2 weeks to recover and come back. So that is one of the curses. That is one Deriv curse that you should avoid. Once you make your target profit, please guys, don't come back to the market. Once you make the profit that you had intended and planned, be satisfied. Go and watch videos on strategies or practice in demo if you really want to trade, but do not go back and trade in the market because, guys, you will lose it. You will lose your money. So please don't come back to the market once you make your profit. Please listen carefully. Don't come back to the market when you make your, just be satisfied and move on to the next day. If you make your stop loss, or if you meet the threshold for your loss, don't trade that day, come back the next. All right, don't try and start to recover. You will blow your account. So please, once you make your target profit, come back the next day, and once you make a stop loss, come back the next day. The other curse is the last run curse. Now that one is the most common. Whereby you're using your bot or even you're trading manually, and you've made 20 runs without a loss. Perfect. All right. And once after those 20 runs, you're like, hey, this is enough. I think I'm good. But something tells you, do one more. That voice, you should ignore it. Just do one more. Just one run. Just one last run. I'm telling you, doing that run will be the last thing for your account. So most people tend to do one last run, and then it becomes a loss. And then they're like, hey, let me recover this loss. And again, a loss. And again, a profit, a loss. By the end of that day, that person will have lost that account. So please don't fall for the last run trick. Once you see you have made some good profits, don't be greedy. Just be satisfied and move on. Believe doing the last run will blow. Okay, because the last run most of the time tends to be a loss. And in an effort to recover that loss, many people tend to blow their accounts. So the first one you have said, once you meet your target profit, just leave the market and be satisfied. And the second one, don't do the last run. Run away from the last run. That run is dangerous, and that run will blow your account because it is like the butterfly effect. One loss will make you want to recover it. Wanting to recover it will make you incur 2 more losses. Trying to recover the 2 losses will make you incur 4, 5. Before you know it, the account is gone. Or you find that you have removed your account from $200 to $5, which is the same as a loss, we can say. So guys, please avoid those. These cases are something that has happened to so many traders. And so please don't fall prey to it. Be wise and be intelligent when trading in Deriv, because remember, guys, you're trading against a computer. All right. So guys, be careful while trading. Please observe this. If you have any question, please put it down in the comment section. Please make sure to subscribe, share, and like, and I will appreciate that very much. Again, guys, thank you very much for watching, and let us meet in the next one.